Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start dropshipping with Target, beginner guide step by step clearly. To start dropshipping with Target, the first step is to conduct thorough market research. Identify a niche that interests you and has demand. Explore popular products in that niche to determine what items are trending. Next, create a business plan outlining your goals and strategies. Decide on the platform you will use for your online store. Platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce are easy to set up and manage. Once your platform is established, set up your online store's design. Make it user-friendly and visually appealing to attract visitors. Now, sign up for a Target account to access their products. Browse Target's website or use their API to find products to dropship. Evaluate the pricing and ensure you can maintain a profit margin. After selecting your products, set your retail prices in your store. Remember to factor in shipping costs and fees. Next, create product listings with engaging descriptions and high-quality images. This will help customers understand what they are purchasing. Once your store is set up, promote your products on social media. Utilize platforms like Instagram and Facebook to drive traffic. Consider using paid ads to reach a larger audience. Establish a customer service plan to address inquiries and issues promptly. This will build trust and encourage repeat business. When you receive an order, purchase the item from Target. Ensure you provide accurate shipping information for timely delivery. Keep track of inventory levels and product availability regularly. It's important to maintain open communication with your customers. Finally, analyze your sales and performance metrics regularly. This will help you refine your strategies and improve your dropshipping business. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.